A deck is a flat surface capable of supporting weight, similar to a floor, but typically constructed outdoors, often elevated from the ground, and usually connected to a building. There are a wide variety of steel deck products on the market today, basically dividing into two categories: roof deck and composite floor deck. The steel deck is a structural panel element that acts as the surface of a floor or roof. The deck is roll-formed from structural quality sheet steel and is engineered to span over joist or purlins. Variations in the thickness, shape, and depth of the deck can be utilized to meet a variety of loading conditions and spans. The deck can also be fastened to the supporting structure to enable attack as a diaphragm and provide lateral bracing for the structure. The steel roof deck is the predominant structural component used in virtually all flat roofs. The deck is a structural panel that spans over roof joist or purlins to provide a flat surface on which to apply the weatherproof roofing. The steel deck is the substrate for most roofing materials such as built-up roofing, membrane roofs or insulated sheet steel roof assemblies. The roof deck has also been used in more unusual configurations that may be sloped or curved. Steel decking products are the preferred method of floor construction for multi-story structural steel-framed buildings, and floor deck offers structural engineers and contractors a versatile and cost-effective composite steel flooring solution. The steel deck is widely used to adhere to the concrete of industrial buildings well because of its high strength and large wavelength. Used as metal deck on high buildings, it not only saves steel mold plate but also reduces the weight of story. With the same bearing capacity, it economizes steel and cuts down investment accordingly. Applications of Comfler deck roll forming machine steel deck sheets can be used as a composite floor system or as permanent formwork. It binds with concrete slab and together forms a part of the floor structure. The interlocking between the concrete and floor deck occurs by a system of embossment and ribs that are built into the deck, creating a reinforced composite slab. This fast and simple installation using high-strength product gives immediate access to a working platform of permanent form and positive reinforcement. With this advantage, the steel deck is widely used in various steel constructions. Decking forming machine consists of uncoiler and coil sheet guiding equipment, roll forming system, post cutting equipment, hydraulic station, controlling system, supporter table. This roll forming machine can roll forming metal floor decking panel profile. The designing of the metal deck forming machine is aided and optimized by computer. The metal deck produced by this machine has high strength with big wavelength. Steel floor decking roll forming machine. This is the new type we engineer for floor deck roll forming machine, used for building surface panel. Steel deck roll forming machine or metal deck roll forming machine is a modern, preeminent solution for concrete formwork. The advantage of floor deck roll forming machine. Floor deck has many advantages, such as high weight, high strength, high automation, and low cost. Heavy-duty capacity for deck production with various profile and pattern to suit for different requirement. No hydraulic power pack required, more suitable for working in a higher temperature environment. Cassette type design is available. It roll forms panels that replace traditional formwork, shortens 3 times working duration, saving 30% on concrete. Lotus Company designs steel deck roll forming machines for the production of various types of metal decks. The metal deck roll forming machine is optimized by computer. Rolling machines for floor deck sheet metal. We are specialized in designing and building various steel floor plate decking roll forming machines. The metal deck produced by this machine has high strength,